Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Ninjatrader to TradingView. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TradingView account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next one is, how can you create an account on TradingView? I'm going to show you right away. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com. And once you do that, that's going to walk you into the official website for TradingView. In the website, to ensure to follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, good news, is going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TradingView. Come on. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to connect Ninjatrader to TradingView. So from there, we're going to have to see, or we're going to have to, let's say, look into the market or look into the broker to see if we can actually connect Ninjatrader to TradingView. So first off, you can check at the top corner where you have brokers, move over to brokers, and from the brokers list, go ahead and search if you can find Ninjatrader. I'm sorry to bug your head, but you will not be able to find that because TradingView does not support Ninjatrader. So let's go ahead and verify this information. Is it possible to connect your Ninjatrader account to TradingView? All right. Are you facing challenges integrating Ninjatrader with TradingView? Potentially missing out on seamless trading opportunities? Let's investigate whether your broker is compatible with TradingView. Now, this is one of the amazing news. Unfortunately, I'm going to zoom in on this. You can't connect your Ninjatrader account to TradingView. This feature is currently not available on Ninjatrader. So see the list of brokers that can be connected to this service. All right, so this is for TradingView. Ninjatrader is not part of this, and it is also not on the list for Ninjatrader. So it means there is no way that you can connect Ninjatrader to TradingView. Now, I'm sure that did not really hurt as bad as I thought it will hurt you. Now, you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, so once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.